Hi, I'm Jimmy Chang, and we're here to talk about perimeters of common shapes. Now, when we think of common shapes, usually the shapes that come to mind are rectangles, squares, triangles, and circles. Now, let's talk about rectangles since squares work out the same way. And basically, what you got to think about is the definition of perimeter is the distance around the shape itself. So let's just say you have a rectangle. Let me just assign some numbers here. Let's just say this is going to be 3, 3, and let's just hypothetically 2, 2, and let's just say maybe inches as we would use as the unit for our final answer. Now, what you want to think about is you can add the numbers around. So 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 3 is 8, and 8 plus 2 is going to be 10. So let's just say the perimeter would be 10, let's just say inches. Now, when it comes to a triangle, it works the same idea. So let's just say you have 3, 4, and let's just say 5. And let's just use, if you want feet to be different, but you want to add all the numbers again together. So 3 plus 4 is 7, 7 plus 5 is 12, so the perimeter is going to be 12, let's just say feet, just as a demonstration. Now, one thing you got to think about, though, is that with circles, they're a lot more unique because circles have their own formulas. And we don't really say perimeters of circles, rather we would say circumference of a circle, but that really means the same thing. So what you want to think about is, suppose you have a circle that we're drawing here. Now, the formula for the circle circumference is c equal to 2 pi r, where r is the radius of the circle. So suppose you have the center here, suppose the radius is, let's just say 2. We'll just do inches, just to keep it simple. What you want to do is to plug it in. You have c is equal to 2 pi times 2. And I'm going to leave the pi as is, but we have 2 times 2 is going to be 4. So c is going to be 4 pi inches. Now, pi is approximately 3.14, but if you want a more specific decimal, you can enter it on your calculator, and that'll give you a more definitive answer for circumference. So I'm Jimmy Chang, and that's perimeter of common shapes.